social media as a viral cleaner, and I tell you what, I'm pretty skeptical because I've tried some of the hacks and bits and pieces and not everything works. I'm going to review with you the new Tricleanium products. I've been using Tricleanium for a while now in my home, and I'm going to give you an honest review on how I'm finding the products and what I would use them for if you were planning to get some for your house. Let's start with the Tricleanium all-purpose concentrate. It comes in a powder form. You can pick this up from Bunnings for $28. When I tell you this stuff is worth its weight in gold, let me tell you, I am 100% serious. So I've used this for pre-painting walls. Check the water just to see how dirty it is. It is incredible how much grime it takes off. I also use it for the vents on my cooker, your extractor vents. I just pop those out, stick them in the sink with this and soak them for like 2 minutes, and they come out sparkling clean. You don't even have to touch them. It's incredible. You can also use it on your barbecue as well as your washing machine drum. So I have found this amazing. The only downfall is obviously you have to mix it, and when you're a little bit lazy, I wouldn't use this on smaller jobs. But if I am going to be doing walls, if I am going to be doing things like the grill, what I tend to do is group those projects so I get the biggest like bang for my time. That segues nicely into the Tricleanium all-purpose cleaner. So this is pre-mixed. So this basically is this, and someone else has done the mixing for you. Magic. And so I use this basically for a load of smaller projects around the house. So rubby fingers on walls. So if I'm not looking to wash down walls before painting and doing a massive job, but I do want to get all of those grotty little fingers off the walls, then this is definitely what I use. And I tried to scrub my walls recently with just an all-purpose cleaner, and it took nothing off it. And this took it off like in seconds. So it definitely does work. I was actually surprised at how well it worked. I also use this on furniture and any kind of DIY upcycles I'm just about to do. I'll just give this a quick clean because I know how effectively it does clean. You do need any of these two products, you do need to wipe it down with a wet cloth afterwards just to remove any residue. So I should say you can pick this up at Bunnings for like $9.98, so under $10. I mean, it's a no-brainer. And then recently I've been using the Graffiti remover. So this is great for the kids' playroom. So I use this on their playroom table. There was a ton of paint and food coloring and I don't know, slime all over the table. This removed it with like basically no effort. And I'm not looking for a perfect surface, but it removes so much paint. I was actually skeptical that it might not be able to remove it, but it did. It worked perfectly. And Derek also took this to one of his jobs where he had paint on the concrete. He had to remove it for a client, and it took it off without any issue whatsoever and very minimal kind of effort. So this is a bit more expensive. It's $36 at Bunnings as well. Summary, I would highly recommend all of these products for different reasons. I have all three on hand because I use them varyingly around the house. I do think that this is a must have if you have barbecues, grills, vents, those sorts of things. Then this is just great for those really deep cleaning things around the house that you want to do. But let me tell you, this actually does work, and I've been pretty happy with it so far. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll be reviewing a different product each week.